going on, guys? Today is delivery day. We have the first carbon fiber AERO kit ready to go. We're down here again at 360 Composite, about to walk in, check it out, pick up the kit, take it back to the shop, test the install, and make sure everything's good to go. Oh, she looks beautiful. So I'm gonna ask Frank. I got a little picture here. You might be able to get it. All right, we got a little fun trivia. Okay. Show you how well of a car guy you are. All right.
Nah, so I gotta do this shit on camera.
No, for real. Come on. What does that look like?
458 Ferrari.
Dude, my freaking man. Dude, my man. Look at this. I asked everybody at the shop what it looked like.
Yeah, dude.
Bro,
right
we
on.
nailed it.
Yeah. I know my shit.
We nailed it. Nobody guessed. Nobody guessed it. I just asked Mike, what do you think it looks like? He's like, I don't know what.
That's cool that you have it under it too. It's like,
oh, I did that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you should see the resemblance.
Yep.
That was my inspiration the whole time.
Well, that was ours on the rockers, kind of.
Yeah.
You know?
Exactly. We nailed it.
I mean, we want to do it to a different type of car. You know?
We nailed it.
Lock plugs, make molds, C8 kits, Fusion with Jeff, Shane's Forge kit. So you're top priority right now. And
dope. Did you tell him about the roof scoop?
No.
Should we give him a little sneak peek or no? Should we do that another time?
I'd rather put a little.
Like show it?
Nah.
Like flash.
Flash.
Right now it's a wrap. We're gonna head back to the shop, go over the AERO kit, get it all organized, ready to put on the C8, test fit it, see how it goes.
Can I get an intro for what we're doing with this car?
No.
Essentially, we're taking the test pieces off of the C8, all the AERO kit, putting the new carbon fiber stuff on. So now we got to tear the rear bumper apart and all that stuff.
But this intro is going to be like an impression of Shane.
Impression of Shane?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome to Inshane Designs. Today we're working on my C8.
make a freaking piece.
Well, yeah, I know, but if we take this off, you can take it down to that. It's just the cover on the crash ring.
Why don't we just use the existing piece that's on the bumper already?
So Chris, what's your take on this?
Which part of it?
Okay.
I definitely want to keep it off.
Yeah.
I like the exposed exhaust look. Pay 40, what is it, 4,500 bucks for an exhaust you can't even see. Yeah.
2-inch pipe.
Up.
More trinkets.
More trinkets.
What is that bumper frame?
Alright, put it back on.
What?
What's that little piece called?
Crash bar?
Yeah. Once you get the height, they do a bolt on. Fin kit, dude.
Oh, it looks fine.
What are we trying to hide?
He's trying to hide the underside.
Custom pipes.
Which that's all factory colored, right?
Factory what?
This would be colored, like if it, yeah, right there. Yeah.
Welcome to Inshane Designs.
Stand here and look over everyone today?
Yeah, seriously. What is that, Curtis? What is that showing through?
No, I think that's in the PPF.
That doesn't have PPF on it. I don't know, nuts. It's driving me nuts. All right, so you want to explain to them how the fitment, you know, how it works? Obviously, this is a prototype, so it's kind of like not perfect, but we just wanted to test fitment, and
Yeah.
Curtis did all the install, so I'll let you take it over.
So you're going to use 6 bolts, no studs. Like the factory spoiler. All the factory holes mount up. So I mean, install is pretty easy. It's straightforward. Take the old one off, put the new one on. The only reason you'll have to drill is if you don't have a spoiler yet. Other than that, everything else, I mean, it's all OEM fitment.
All OEM. The
Simple
front
as that.
splitter is probably the easiest thing to do, right?
Yeah,
You take the screws out and you put the kit on and you bolt it back on.
Yeah. Everything reuses factory hardware, except for the spoiler.
We are doing a factory 6 mil. But yeah, it looks sick. I freaking love it. Carbon fiber. They're working on the forged carbon kit. So that one should be done here in a couple, probably like next week. So once we get the forged carbon on, that's it for this. No more testing for this baby. Which means one more time we got to tear the bumper off.
Yeah, you say that now.
I know. No, that's it. That's it. One more. That's it. And she's good. I guess until we figure out the lower rear balance. All right, I'm going to back her up and you can get some cool little shots.